song is by Tamia, Can't Get Enough. Real popular song. They do it out everywhere still. But this song is similar to a different genre of music that Come Dance With Me by Nancy, I think. Nancy, I can't think of her last name. Totally two different types of music. Same steps. I like mixing it up. Okay, so we're going to do Tamia first, and then we'll learn the next one. So Tamia starts out with a push, which is called a dig. So you dig right and left. Now, you're going to start your vine to the left, but you're going to finish it off to the right. So your first two counts are to the left. So right, left, and then you're going to start moving to your right. So then you're going to go right, left, right, stop. Okay, so starting from the top, we do our digs twice, right and left. Then you start your travel vine left and right. So you go right, left, hold. Let's do it again. I'm putting numbers with it. On the count of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, 2, 3, 4. Travel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can just walk that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your turn. And I know sometimes that turning makes people dizzy. So to simplify it, just walk it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make your quarter turn to your right. Okay, so those of you that want to turn, let's walk through that turn again. So it's right, left, you cross in front right, you step out left, you cross behind left. Now you're going to start a quarter turn, and then you're going to make a half turn. That's going to get you back to your new wall to start the dance over again. It's really easy dance, but I think it's that movement of traveling. So let's start on our new wall, starting from the top. On the count of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, 2, 3, 4. Vine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and sway, cross. Out and sway, cross. Turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. Okay, so remember, our turn is going to be to the right if you're not doing that big turn. This is our third wall. When we get to our fourth wall, let's continue. Anybody have any questions? Keep your feet moving. Make up your own step, okay? Okay, on the count of 8, starting from the top. Just keep your feet moving, okay? Have fun with it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing it wrong. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway and cross. Left and turn. Turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. Dig and dig. Vine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap out right and cross in front. Tap out left, cross in front, and turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. Just didn't turn. I didn't turn, but you could turn or not. Okay? 7, 8, dig. And vine, 2, 6, 7, 8. Out on the right, out on the left. Turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold right, hold left. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold down the right. Cross. Left. Cross. Turn 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Dig. Bind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. And left. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. Now this time I'm going to do it without the turn. 3, 6, 7, 8. Out. Left. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Left. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. And bind 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Sway on the cross. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig. And cross 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway. Cross. Left. Turn 2, 3, 4. And bind 2, 3, 4. And hold. Left. Turn. Pick which way you're going to do it.
It's a right turn too.
Right?
You turn to the right.
Turn it to your left. Your left.
Oh gosh.
If you're doing the turn, you turn it to your left. If you're walking it out, you
Then you
turn
turn
it
to the right.
You
Okay.
just walk it out, yes.
What we doing now?
You're turning?
What you doing?
I know you might get tired, don't it? And hold. Left. This is what I miss about being in person. And dig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sway right and rock and cross in front. Left. 1, 2, 3.
Turn them.
Yes. Dig.